What you doing? Where's your ball? Where's the big blue ball? Those are little ones. Where's the new one? It's right here. One, two, three, toss. Good job. Where's your car? Where's your car? Go turn it on. Car. Car. Turn it on. Good job. You rock out. Yeah. You know your pajamas aren't on yet, right? You reading your book? Oh, yeah? You telling me a story? Yeah, what happened after that? Where's baby Elmo? Oh gosh, so exciting. Oh, yeah? Look, an elephant! An elephant! Yeah? Yeah, you're such a good reader. Yeah? Yeah. That's a zebra. Get it to that exact page you want. Elephant. There's the baby big bird. That's an oxymoron, right? Where are you going now? Oh. Careful with your drum set. You gonna put that back on? You're so helpful. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Wave. Can you wave to me? Bye-bye to the camera. Whoa! See ya!